My old dog is sleeping by the chair. The breeze gently plays through his hair. The sun's last rays are saying goodbye, and with that Bunter gives a sigh. He's so old, one of these days he'll die.
So let's just smile, he's still here.
Bunter's a dog without any fear. Let's dance under the sun. Let's laugh together, having fun. Every little moment, let it stay in our hearts till the end of the day. Bunter's still here, my friend so dear. Bunter's a dog without any fear.
When the guitar starts to play a song, the world feels right, nothing's wrong. The breeze is soft, the skies are blue. It looks like Bunter wants to sing too.
I play the tunes he loves to hear. Bunter's still here, my friend so dear. Let's dance under the sun, playing with Bunter, having fun. Every little moment, let it stay in our hearts where we'll always play. Bunter's still here, my friend so dear. Days with Bunter, they mean the most. He loves the sea, so we drive up the coast. Just laughter shared in skies of blue. Yeah, my dog, he always knew.
Someday I'll look back and see the best of life was him with me. He's near the end of his happy days, still full of love in simple ways. Maybe this is our last drive by the coast. These simple things, they mean the most. Just laughter shared and hearts that stay.
Yeah, I thank God for my Bunter days.